Today we'll introduce the follow-up material support devices equipped with our latest ET18 8-and-1 exercise press brake. It's an auxiliary device for processing long and large-sized sheet metal in modern sheet metal bending. Its core lies in dynamic intelligence following completely changing the traditional manual lifting optics support mode. Its system is deeply integrated with the press brake sensing system, receiving bending progress data in real time. Driven by a servo motor, the material supports can precisely and automatically follow the movement trajectory of the bending die during the bending process. Synchronously lifting, lowering, and move forward and backward. The follow-up material support is not just a support tool, but a processing partner, integrating precision motion controller, intelligent algorithms, and safety design.